Apart from the planets, there are other components of the solar system. They are also the parts of solar system. The first part are the asteroids. Asteroids, what is an asteroid? Asteroid is there is a large gap between the planets Mars and Jupiter. In between the gap of Mars and Jupiter, there are large number of asteroids. This gap is called the asteroid belt, which can only be seen through a telescope. Comets are other members of our solar system. These comets revolve around the Sun in highly elliptical orbits. They are moving around the Sun in very big area. Their period of revolution around the Sun is usually very long. So a comet, which appears generally as a bright head with a long tail, it moves around the Sun in a very big orbit. So they take long time to take one round of the Sun. The length of the tail of the comet grows in the size when it approaches the Sun. The tail of the comet is always directed away from the Meteors are other components of the solar system. They are seen in the night sky as bright streaks of light which move in the sky. They are commonly known as shooting stars. Although they are not stars, they are called meteors. What is a meteor? It is usually a small object which occasionally enters the Earth's atmosphere. It could be piece of rock or something which moves in the space, and sometimes it enters the solar system and near the orbit of the Earth. So at that time, when it enters the Earth's atmosphere, it has a very high speed and usually may have a big size. As soon as it enters the Earth's atmosphere, the air puts friction, exerts pressure on it, and there is friction between the Earth's atmosphere and the meteor. This helps in reducing the speed of the meteor and also makes it burn. So the friction due to the atmosphere heats it up and it starts glowing and evaporates quickly. So these meteors are seen to move across the sky as bright streaks like a fire. Meteors appear like stars in the sky. So these meteors move in the sky, and when they enter the Earth's atmosphere, they fall towards the Earth due to the gravity. While they are falling towards the Earth, the air puts friction on them and they start burning. So if they get burnt out, then they do not fall on the Earth, then they are called meteors. Those meteors whose size is big, they keep on falling towards the Earth, and when they reach the Earth, then they are called meteorites. The body which reaches the Earth is called a meteorite. The meteorites which fall on the Earth, they cause damage to the Earth. If they fall on the area where there is life or where there are people living, then they can be death there. So most of the time, the meteors, when they fall on the Earth, they have caused damage. So when it is believed that the dinosaurs who lived on the Earth, they died because there was a big meteor shower, and these meteors, some of them fell on the Earth. When they fell on the Earth, they destroyed most of the areas of the Earth, and there was a lot of dust produced. This dust formed a cloud around the area where they fell, and the dinosaurs living in those areas, they could not change themselves according to changed conditions. Because of the cloud, the sun rays could not reach the earth, and the earth became cold, and the dinosaurs got extinct, they died. The meteor showers are seen as swarms of meteors are seen. They are known as meteor showers. Some of the meteor showers occur at regular intervals each year, and you will come to know about the meteor showers regularly in the news. So whenever these meteor shower occurs, you must observe them because it is a beautiful phenomena.